Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
What number lies in the middle of 16 and 44?
Anyone? Anyone?
So we've got 16 at one end of our number line and 44 at the other end. And we need to find what number lies exactly in the middle of these two numbers. Do you want a quick way of solving this one? Let's use middling. Start by adding together the two numbers. 16 and 44 equals 60. Now, all we need to do is half it. Half of 60 is... Wait for it. There we go. 30. So the number that lies halfway between 16 and 44 is 30. Genius! Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.